This is Lady P. Welcome to my backyard garden. And if you haven't been here before, thank you for coming. And please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share my video. Last week have been a little crazy, and I wanted to share it with you. We are going from one extreme to the other. Not enough rain. Now we have too much rain. Is this the quiet before the storm? The rain has stopped. Now the sirens are going off. This weather here is gone crazy. I did get the cabbage out and I cooked it. I didn't get a chance to get the spinach or the beets because it's been raining, or the peas. These have got to get out soon. I may come back out and get these peas. I think they'll last one more day, but I don't know. But I wanted to show you this here. I came out to get me some lettuce out the garden, and look at this. Water all the way down. Just water. The weather here has just been so crazy. Now we got rain 2 days prior to this. There's a little rabbit over there. You can see him. The eggplant has gotten larger since all of this rain, and my chickpeas, kava beans, and another one came up. It's not as much water on this end. Well, down here there's a little, but not as much as on the other end. I mean, this is crazy. We have gotten rain 2 days prior to this. We just had tornado warnings. It rained very hard, and now the sun's out. Hot, humid. But I just wanted to show you all of this water. I don't know how much water we got, but it was a lot. A few days ago, I was worried about not enough water. Now I'm worried about too much water. Strange weather we're having. Very strange. Those potatoes down there are still looking good. This is Lady P from my backyard garden. Peace and love. I'm out.